So, kakain pa lang ako. 8 o'clock na. Nag-start ako maglakad. Mga 7 a.m. Lakad ako 20 minutes. Papunta dun sa gusto kong puntahan na banh mi place. Tapos, pagdating ko dun, sarado siya. So, sabi ko, pabalik na lang ako. Ang dami ko namang nadaan ng banh mi kainan sa, on the way, habang naglalakad. So, sabi ko, I'll just go there. So, ito. Dito ko ngayon. Ang order ko ay crispy pork banh mi. Sobrang nagugutom na ako. Kaya, I'm gonna eat now. Puro din na pa yung nakain ko. Sobrang cute ng vibes dito. Sarap! After the hunt for banh mi, I came here to a cafe. Buti na lang, it has aircon because it was getting really hot outside. So, chill muna tayo dito. Ayoko lang talaga sa labas, pero cute ng vibes sa labas. I'll show you. Ito yung labas. Diba? Ang cute. Ito yung loob. Meron pang maliit na dun. Oh, may nook. Sobrang cute. Sobrang chill ng vibes dito. So, dito muna ako mag-stay until like late. On my way now to Dot Dot Gem. It's a jewelry store. What the heck? To check out the business. But I ended up not buying anything from there because it wasn't really my style and namamahalan ako. Dito ako ngayon sa park. Kasi I'm just killing time bago ako mag-transfer ng hotel. Ito yung gitna na park sa hotel ko ngayon. Tsaka dun sa pinag-i-withdrawan ko. Ito siya. And doon yung pinag-i-withdrawan ko. Andyan yung mga may Highlands Coffee dyan. Tapos, dito sa kabilang side, dun yung hotel ko. Dun, banda dun. Tapos, meron ditong mga exercising equipment. Like that one. Yan. Kapag mag-isa pang kape, ang liit kasi ng kape nung nandoon. Oh my gosh, is that a squirrel? Oh my god, may squirrel. Ayun o. Kita niyo ba? Nandiyan siya sa puno na yan. Ayun na yung gumalaw. Dito sa puno na to. Diyan siya. Oh my God. May squirrel. Ayan o. The buntot is gumagalaw. See? Here's a squirrel. Ay, there. Bakit na siya? I'm gonna try to walk closer. Hindi ko alam kung makikita siya, but there. That's the maximum. And I I decided to stay here na lang muna sa Paper and I, a cafe near my second hotel because I was transferring hotels and it was too early for me to check in. So I'll just stay here and did some research on where I'm going to go next for the next hours and the next days. So ang in-order ko dito is, I think, almond croissant and salted cream coffee. Guys, ang sarap. Oh my God. Even without the cream. Ang sarap. Shit. Ang sarap siya. Tinapay naman. Oh my God. Sarap. I love it. Sarap. Ay, ang sarap na to. Sarap talaga. I love it. I'm just gonna order my food. Sabi din ng receptionist kanina, tinanong ko, sabi ko, pwede ko bang padala dito yung grab food ko? Pwede naman daw. Sabihin ko lang daw ko anong room ko. Tapos, iiwan na lang ng rider sa baba. I-keep nila dun sa reception. And then, I can go down whenever and then just get it there. Gusto ko lang mag-chill dito. Ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin dito. Mag-chill. Nag-order ako ng food. Ban me! Ito siya. Kabog. May wipes. May ano pa siyang drink. Something orange ata to. Look at this! Ay, ano ba to? Oh my God! Oh my God! Nag-iba ako ng pwesto kasi hindi ko mataas yung paa ko. No? Ang sarap! Para siyang freshly squeezed pongkan na may basta masarap. Oh! Gosh! Paano ko ito kakainin doon? Oh my gosh! May pork floss! And what else is in here? I don't know. The crunch, I guess. God. Ang harap. Oh my God. I took a Grab to the latte art class that I booked. I thought I was going to have classmates, but I was the only one there, which kind of made it awkward. Plus, the teacher was a little bit of a perfectionist, so we kind of lasted like 2 hours. Kind of wanted it to end so bad already. But it was a really, really nice experience. I learned how to steam the milk properly, which ones that will make the most bubbles and the micro bubbles, etc., etc. It was a good class for those who are really into coffee. Now I'm going to Vinland, which I saw on TikTok. That is, oh my gosh, very, very crafty. Really, really like this experience, but it was really tiring. Ang dinner ko ngayon ay Jollibee because I wanted to try
kung ano yung lasa ng Jollibee nila dito.
Ito yung ketchup, tapos meron silang hot, ano ka ta?
Hot and sweet sauce.
Ano pa rin naman?
Siguro mahilig na sila sa matamis. Matamis pa rin eh. Medyo iba yung lasa niya sa chicken joy ng Pilipinas. Pero, hindi naman nalalay. Parang may ibang halong spices. Sarap pa rin.
Hindi ko alam bakit may spoon. Baka binubuksan. Sarap! Oh my gosh! Masarap. I love it. Punta na ako ng Book Street. O, diba, maayos pa yung buhok ko. Kasi